decent. Hey.
Get your OSHAs, kids. Get your OSHAs.
These kids don't play. We get in, get it out. Thank God it's done. This project was hard. It was a lot going on at the same time, and while I'm usually working by myself with a lot of this stuff, it's such a blessing to be able to have these kids to work with. And I know that it wasn't by accident that the Lord had me teaching high school at Dobbins first, learning how to manage a classroom, learning that it's all about building relationships. You can try to force somebody into doing something, it's not going to stick, because then you always got to do that. If you take the time to teach people that you care, and that you're going to be consistent, your boundaries are firm, eventually they start to understand, and there's nothing like understanding. The Bible says, get wisdom in all you're getting, get understanding, and I understand clearly that's about relationships with these kids. And as we build the relationships, the work becomes a lot simpler. Not that it becomes less complex, but it becomes simpler because we have a team of people who are thinking critically to be able to get the project done and accomplished. So thank God this is done. We got a little stuff to tighten up here and there. We're going to do that on Monday, but I'm just glad to be able to have a team of people who are like-minded and who want to work and who want to accomplish the mission that we have in front of us. So good.